Good morning, students. Today's topic is Dalton atomic theory. Dalton atomic theory gave an explanation for the law of conservation of mass and law of definite proportion, as we have already discussed in the previous video. According to the Dalton atomic theory, all matter like element, compound and mixture that is made up of small particles that is called as atom. Now, what are the main postulates or features of the Dalton atomic theory? First, every matter is made up of very small particles like called as atoms. Second point, atoms are indivisible. It means atoms are the ultimate particles of matter that cannot be further subdivided into smaller particles. Third, atom can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Fourth, atoms of given element are identical in mass as well as in chemical properties. It means they have same mass, size and same chemical properties. Identical means same. Atoms of different elements are different mass and chemical properties. Different elements means like calcium, argon, potassium. They show different mass and shows different properties. Next point is the definition of compound. Atom combine in the ratio of small whole number to form a compound. Or you can see that atom of same or different elements combine in a simple whole number ratio to form a molecule of a compound. And the last point is the number and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. How many types of atoms are present in a given compound and what is the number of the atoms? Now, what are the merits of Dalton atomic theory? Means this theory explains the law of chemical combinations, which include two laws, that is law of conservation of mass and law of definite proportion. Proportion means ratio. Second point, Dalton was the first to recognize a workable difference between ultimate particle of an element that is called as atom and that of a compound that is called as molecule. Now, what are the demerits of Dalton atomic theory? Demerits means limitation. First limitation is that atom is the smallest divisible particles because it is made up of electron, protons and neutron. But Dalton atomic theory said that atom is indivisible. Second point, atom of same element may have different masses but not same, according to Dalton atomic theory. Same element like hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. they may have different mass. Upper side, this 3, 2, 1, this denote the mass number, and lower side 1, 1, 1, that denote the atomic number, and hydrogen is the symbol of element. When the atom of same element that may have different masses but same atomic number, this is called as isotopes. So these are the isotopes of hydrogen. Here element are same but mass number is different, 1, 2, 3, like this. Next, atoms of different elements may have the same masses. Different elements like calcium and argon, mass number is same but atomic number is different. So this is called as isobars. Iso means same, bars means mass number same but atomic number different. So this theory fails to explain the atoms of different elements may have different masses. Now next is substance made up of same kind of atoms may have different properties. Like this. This is the protium, deuterium and tritium. These are made up of same kind of atoms but the properties are different. The ratio in which the different atoms combine to form a compound may be fixed but may not be simple. Like means atom of different elements that may not always combine in a simple whole number ratio to form a compound. Here we take one example, sucrose. Sucrose is also called as cane sugar. The molecule of sucrose, that is C12H22O11. So its simple actual ratio is 12:22:11, but this is not a simple whole number ratio. So we can say that the ratio of the compound may be fixed but may not be simple. All these are the limitations of Dalton atomic theory. Thank you, students.